everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the Great Smoky Mountains and we are going to hike Abrams Falls. It's a 5-mile hike. It's labeled moderate / difficult, but I would probably say it's more on the moderate side. Interesting fact that name Abrams is actually named after a Cherokee chief. I'm not going to try to say his name because I will totally butcher it. But he adopted the name Abram, and that's where the fall got named after. It's also the only creek that follows within the trail and stays within the national park. So anyways, let's get going. So we've hit the little section of the trail that I guess they could call difficult, but we're going up, and we were just saying how it's like 70 degrees and it's hot. it's really hot and really it's weird. Pathetic. Yeah, and there's spots that it cools down because it's pretty windy, but then you get in other patches and it's like, whew. What? I would say it feels like 80.
At least, yeah. It's almost like you're in a convection oven with the wind and the heat. I don't know why, but we're also a bunch of wimps right now. We're so used to having it be cool out, and it's not that way anymore.
Nope. So we're about to come up on a neat little view up here. See it when we get there. There's people up there though. looks a lot bigger than I remember it. So now we are headed back to the car, and we're gonna do the same hike back, of course. So not gonna really film that, maybe little bits here and there. But thank you guys for joining us today. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next hike. So